Today I am reviewing Levoit Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Levoit is a brand that many people recognize for air purifiers, but over the past few years it has expanded into other home appliances, including cordless vacuums. This particular model is clearly designed for everyday household cleaning rather than replacing a heavy-duty corded vacuum for every situation. After looking through its features and intended use, it seems to focus on convenience, ease of use, and making quick cleaning sessions less of a chore. One of the biggest advantages of any cordless vacuum is simply being able to grab it without worrying about plugging in a power cord. That's exactly where this model seems to shine. Whether you've spilled cereal in the kitchen, tracked dirt in from outside, or noticed pet hair collecting on the couch, you can pick it up and start cleaning immediately. That convenience alone makes cordless vacuums much more likely to be used for daily cleaning instead of waiting until the weekend. Battery life is always one of the first things people ask about. Levoit claims up to 50 minutes of runtime when using the crevice or pet tool in eco mode, around 30 minutes with the main vacuum head, and roughly 12 minutes in turbo mode. Those numbers are pretty typical for cordless vacuums because higher suction always drains the battery faster. For routine cleaning around an apartment or medium-sized home, the standard runtime should be enough for many users. If you're planning to clean a large house from top to bottom in one session, you may find yourself wishing for a second battery, and Levoit does offer replacement batteries for longer cleaning sessions. The suction performance sounds well suited for everyday dry messes. Dust, crumbs, pet hair, dirt from shoes, and similar household debris should be exactly what this vacuum is built for. It's important to remember that it's designed only for dry messes, so it shouldn't be used for wet spills or liquids. That's not unusual, but it's something buyers should know before expecting it to handle every type of accident around the house. If you have pets, one feature that stands out is the anti-tangle brush. Anyone who has owned a vacuum knows how frustrating it can be to stop cleaning just to cut wrapped hair from the roller. The anti-tangle design aims to reduce that problem, making routine cleaning faster and requiring less maintenance. No system is completely immune to tangled hair, especially in homes with long-haired pets or family members, but reducing the amount of manual cleanup is definitely a welcome improvement. Levoit also includes a dedicated pet tool, which should make cleaning upholstered furniture, stairs, and pet beds much easier than using the main floor head. Combined with the dusting brush that doubles as a crevice tool, the vacuum becomes fairly versatile for cleaning different parts of the home without needing a large collection of accessories. One feature I genuinely like is the ability for the vacuum to lie almost completely flat. Cleaning underneath beds, sofas, coffee tables, and entertainment centers is usually one of the most awkward jobs, especially with larger vacuums. Being able to reach farther under furniture without constantly moving heavy pieces around can save both time and effort. The built-in LED lights also help reveal dust and debris hiding in darker areas, which is surprisingly useful because many floors look clean until they're illuminated. Weight is another important factor with cordless vacuums, and Levoit emphasizes a lightweight design. That's especially valuable if you're carrying the vacuum upstairs, cleaning ceiling corners, vacuuming curtains, or switching between floors and furniture. A heavy cordless vacuum can become tiring fairly quickly, while a lighter one encourages more frequent cleaning because it feels less like a workout. The filtration system is another area where this vacuum makes a solid impression on paper. Levoit states that its 5-stage filtration captures 99.9% of particles as small as 0.3 microns based on ASTM testing. For households with pets or people concerned about dust, that's certainly a positive feature. Cleaner exhaust air is always preferable, although like most vacuums with advanced filtration, you'll need to replace the filter periodically to keep performance where it should be. Maintenance appears refreshingly simple. The dustbin empties with a single button, reducing the amount of direct contact with collected dirt. That's a small feature, but it's one you'll appreciate after using the vacuum regularly. Nobody wants a complicated cleanup process after finishing the actual cleaning. There are a few limitations worth mentioning. Like most cordless vacuums, maximum suction comes with significantly shorter battery life. If you're constantly using turbo mode for deep carpet cleaning, don't expect anywhere close to the advertised maximum runtime. Another consideration is that cordless vacuums generally perform best as everyday maintenance tools rather than replacements for premium corded vacuums when it comes to deeply embedded debris in thick carpets. This vacuum seems best suited for hard floors, low to medium pile carpets, apartments, condos, and homes where quick daily cleaning matters more than marathon cleaning sessions. Pet owners should appreciate the anti-tangle brush and specialized pet attachment, while busy families may simply enjoy being able to clean unexpected messes without dragging out a larger machine. On the other hand, if your home has very thick carpeting throughout, a large amount of heavy debris, or you regularly tackle major deep cleaning projects, you may still want to keep a powerful corded vacuum available for those occasions. This Levoit model feels more like a convenient, everyday cleaner than an industrial-strength machine. What I find most appealing is that Levoit appears to have focused on solving common frustrations instead of adding unnecessary features. The anti-tangle brush, lightweight construction, flexible cleaning angle, LED lights, easy dustbin emptying, useful attachments, and respectable battery life all contribute to making routine cleaning easier. Those practical improvements often matter more than chasing the highest suction numbers on paper. For buyers looking for a cordless vacuum that's easy to grab, comfortable to carry, and designed to handle the kind of everyday messes most households deal with, this Levoit model makes a strong case. It isn't perfect, and it's important to understand its limitations with battery life at maximum power and its intended use for dry cleaning only. But for apartments, family homes, pet owners, and anyone who wants to spend less time wrestling with cords and tangled brush rolls, it offers a balanced combination of convenience, thoughtful features, and practical value that makes it well worth considering.